Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a present continuous tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. Dash she reading a book right now? The correct option is is. Is she reading a book right now? Question 2. Dash you watching TV at the moment? The correct option is C. R. Are you watching TV at the moment? Question 3. Dash they playing football in the park? The correct option is R. Are they playing football in the park? Question 4. Dash we studying English now? The correct option is B. R. Are we studying English now? Question 5. Dash the baby sleeping in the bed? The correct option is is. Is the baby sleeping in the bed? Question 6. Dash your mother cooking dinner right now? The correct option is is. Is your mother cooking dinner right now? Question 7. Dash I writing an email at the moment? The correct option is am. Am I writing an email at the moment? Question 8. Dash they running in the playground? The correct option is R. Are they running in the playground? Question 9. Dash he playing the piano now? The correct option is is. Is he playing the piano now? Question 10. Dash they swimming in the pool? The correct option is R. Are they swimming in the pool? Question 11. Dash the teacher talking to the students. The correct option is is. Is the teacher talking to the students? Question 12. Dash I sitting on the chair. The correct option is am. Am I sitting on the chair? Question 13. Dash the children drawing pictures now. The correct option is are. Are the children drawing pictures now? Question 14. Dash she dancing beautifully. The correct option is is. Is she dancing beautifully? Question 15. Dash we listening to music. The correct option is are. Are we listening to music? Question 16. Dash the dog barking loudly. The correct option is is. Is the dog barking loudly? Question 17. Dash I learning new words today. The correct option is am. Am I learning new words today? Question 18. Dash they waiting for the bus now. The correct option is are. Are they waiting for the bus now? Question 19. Dash your father driving the car. The correct option is is. Is your father driving the car? Question 20. Dash you holding my bag. The correct option is are. Are you holding my bag? Question 21. What dash the boys singing? The correct option is are. What are the boys singing? Question 22. What dash she washing now? The correct option is is. What is she washing now? Question 23. Where dash we watching a movie tonight? The correct option is R. Where are we watching a movie tonight? Question 24. What dash the man fixing? The correct option is is. What is the man fixing? Question 25. Who dash reading your message right now? The correct option is is. Who is reading your message right now? That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.